Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model one simple board, blackboard, one simple board in Blender. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So here is our blackboard, cartoon type blackboard model in Blender. So this is our model. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.